Do you want to speak English confidently, but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, you will learn simple speaking practice for beginners that you can start today at home. Welcome to English. HUMANITYUAPD.com, where you learn easy English step by step. Speaking English may feel scary at first, but with daily simple practice, you can become confident faster than you think. Let's begin. Speaking is the most important skill in language learning. When you speak every day, your confidence grows. Your pronunciation improves, and you learn real communication, not just grammar. Remember, mistakes are normal. Every mistake helps you learn faster. So start speaking from day one. You don't need a partner to practice English. Try these simple exercises. Read aloud. Read a book or article loudly for 5 minutes daily. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day. Say chair, table, phone, window. This builds vocabulary quickly. Talk about your daily routine. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Listen and improve your pronunciation by recording your voice. Just 10 minutes daily makes a big difference. If you have a friend or partner, try this. Start with greetings. Ask simple questions. Talk about hobbies, weekend plans, or family. Small conversations build big confidence. Try these quick tasks. Give a self-introduction. Talk about one topic for 3 minutes. Read a short paragraph aloud. Watch a short video and summarize it. These activities improve fluency and thinking in English. Follow these simple rules. Speak slowly. Repeat useful phrases. Practice every day. And do not fear mistakes. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. If you practice speaking this week, you already made great progress. Keep going. Week 2 will be even better. Your English is improving step by step. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and start your daily English speaking practice today. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. You can do it. See you in the next lesson.